I'm back. It's your boy Captain Cooler, and I have something very exciting here. I have unboxing volume 4. We're gonna find out what's in this box, what type of beers. Stay tuned. It's the Captain Cooler Show. Welcome back to another episode of the Captain Cooler Show. I have unboxing volume 4. I'm gonna find out what's inside this box here. But before we find out what's inside the box, make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Captain Cooler Instagram, and also my Facebook, Captain Cooler Facebook. Whoa. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all the school teachers out there who are working hard, working so hard, dealing with the kids, dealing with the COVID, kids coming back from homeschooling, remote learning, and then dealing with the whole just trying to transition of homeschooling back to school. I know it's tough, and that's why I'm giving you guys a big shout out over here at the Captain Cooler Show. I want to let you guys know I appreciate what you guys do. Oh, before we get into this box, again, the last shout out. This is my last shout out. I want to give a big shout out to my crew, the Bear Bandits. Bear Bandits. Never forget about the Bear Bandits. I'm just saying. So with that said, all right, let's get into it. I have my knife here. And I have the box. Let's grab the box. Let's do it. All right. Fold this thing up for safety. All right, and I'm going to put the box down here and lift them up one by one. See what we have. So the first beer we have is Reply Hazy. Try again later. Check out the can. Cool can. So the can has a monster on there. He has one of those games, the ball game that you can kind of like, I guess it's a fortune telling type of game, I guess. I've seen these before. I just can't remember what they do. I think it tells your fortune, or tells your future or something like that. And this thing is Beer Zombie Brewing Company, which is cool. It says Reply Hazy, try again later, and it's running at 10.5. Ooh, heavy hitter. This thing is all Citra, double dry hopped, triple hazy IPA, which is very cool. I like the zombie there. I like the moon thing. Has like a kind of like nightmare on. Actually, it's Zombie Fest, or it's scary. Very cool. And these guys are out of San Marcos, San Diego County, California. Very cool. Yeah, very cool. Craft Till Death. Beer Zombies Brewing Company. That is the can. Cool. So let's get to the next one. This one is called Hazy Boy. Check out the can. Hazy Boy. Check out the can. Very cool. So I like this. It has this green kind of thing going. It says Hazy Juicy IPA on the front. Two Roads Brewing. Cool. These guys are out of Stratford, Connecticut. This thing is running at 7. Hey, Z boy. Very cool. That is the can right there. Cool can. That's number 2. Make sure you keep track of this, because you're going to have to vote. Number 3. Ooh. Paperback Brewing. Check out the can. Very cool. So this can, this is a orange milkshake IPA. It's running at 6.5. Paperback Brewing. And it says a milkshake orange. Has the big letters on the side that says paperback. These guys are out of Glendale, California. It has a woman on the front that's holding a giant P, the letter P, and a guy on the front also holding a glass. Looks like orange juice, and there's an orange on his sleeve, and he has an intense look. Very cool. Paperback Brewing. That is the can. Paperback Brewing. Number 3. So let's get to number 4. This one is Unfiltered Opinion IPA, Almanac Beer Company. Check out the can. Very cool. I like it. I like this color. So it has, I don't know, this kind of cool checkered pattern on the front. This thing is running at 6.1. It says hazy, aromatic, juicy Almanac Beer Company. Very cool. They are out of Alameda, California. Very cool. Dry hopped with Simcoe and Mosaic hops, which is cool. It says on the side, Unfiltered Opinion is a low on bitterness but high on flavor and personality, brewed as a Northeast style IPA. This hoppy beer explodes with unsolicited Simcoe and Mosaic aromas of lime zest, mango, and blueberry, juicy, cloudy, and opinionated. This hazy IPA doesn't hold back on anything except bitterness. It thing has the malt is Pilsner wheat. The hops are Simcoe and Mosaic. Very cool. I like it. And that is the can. All right, so that is number 4. Let's get to number 5. Check out the can. Very cool. This is called Draft Funk. 8-Bit Brewing Company. It has on the front, looks like Spaceman. It's a sour double IPA running at 8.4. Raspberry, lemon, Nelson, Pacifica. They are out of Marietta, California. That right there is the can. Very cool. So that is number 5. Now it's time for the last one, number 6. Wow, shiny can. Check it out. Omnipolo. Pretty cool. This thing has the 2 candles on the front. One candle is taller than the other. Omnipolo double maize, I believe. And it is a oat IPA. This thing is running at 8.5. Very cool. They're out of North Haven, Connecticut. Shout out to Connecticut. Very shiny can. Reminds me of like a chrome rim. Very cool. That is number 6. That is the can right there. Very cool. So let me just move it over a little. Some more room. Make sure you guys see this. All 6. So that's the lineup right there. Make sure, you know what? There was a lot of confusion. So to clarify it, in order to vote, you have to DM me on my Captain Cooler Instagram. I was getting messages all over the place. I was like, oh man, it was for the last volume 3. I was getting messages in the DM, getting messages in emails, getting messages in my other Instagram. It was a lot, but it's all good. This time, make sure if you're going to vote, make sure you vote in the Captain Cooler DM. Captain Cooler DM on Instagram. So that's all 6 there. Take a good look and let me know which one you think I should do a review on. So with that said, let me put these in the cooler and get them nice and cold. You can watch me do that. I know you guys like watching that. All right. Hazy boy. All right. Paperback. Almanac. Gotta rhyme. Draft Funk. And the last one is Omnipolo. Very cool. Shiny can. Alright. You know what? Because, this is a Captain Cooler show, I have to at least pop one. Get the glass here. Let's see. Let's do... This one is Lord Hobo Juice Lord IPA, running at 6. Check out the can. That's how far as you're gonna get. That's because I might do a review on this one, so I don't want to give up too much. I'll let you guys watch me. I love that sound. All right, check out how it pours. Very nice, hazy orange. Nice. I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna take a. Matter of fact, hold up. No. Oh. All right. I'm not even gonna get into it because I might do a review on this one. So with that said, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it. Let all your friends know. Till next time, it's your boy Captain Cooler. Oh, whoa. Don't forget, I'm doing my Christmas special. It's coming up. It's gonna be released on December 24th, which is a Friday. Until next time, peace.